Welcome to my channel, Rudy Sangyan. Yeah, if you look at the background and you will get an idea, this is a seaport terminal. And when come to the point of how to computerize the port, then several questions arise. That is it only the vessel itself that needed to be computerized, or is it talking about storage area management? As you know, when the vessel enter the port, all the cargo on that vessel need to be unloaded and put it in this storage area. Or on the other way around, if you see all the cargo here that need to be loaded onto the vessels. So is it talking about computerized the storage area, or is it talking about berthing, discharge, and loading? You know, when the vessels enter the port and the port management need to define the window using the window berthing management, so the vessel will be catered on time when they do the loading and discharge activities. So when we come to the point of these questions will trigger all over IT vendor that what do you mean by port technology? Thank you for watching.